Now, where do we go from here? Well, firstly, you saw the blue algorithm building liquidity, isn't it? And the yellow too. So we had some quite easy shorts right at the start of the day, especially with that orange algorithm as well. And you saw how the bears grabbed this liquidity here, pushing all the way down, as you see from this bottom wick from that red candle here. Now, this will be important. I will talk a little bit about that now. But however, you see, we also rejected here off that green algorithm. Now, this is very simple. You have to pay close attention because this can still be that liquidity that's building. I talked about a cup that's closing. The cup is closed here as well, waiting out for a handle. And you have to be looking out for the handle here. Now, this is complicated things. So you have to learn to be watching from the 1 minute chart and translating it a little better from here. Now you see how this green has been building liquidity here together with the teal. So ideally, what will happen is that we grab more liquidity before we start pushing out from that liquidity zone here. So pay close attention to that 659 where that 5-day moving average will be. So that 5-day moving average will be a very important point of tomorrow's liquidity. You have to pay very, very close attention to that. Now magenta is where you have to pay close attention to because you see it's building liquidity, and I need to be looking out for that breakout there. Hopefully we get a deeper structure from here, especially flushing out all these sellers if this wants to head out. So use the 1 minute chart to help you guide, translate this microstructure a little bit more. Now, however, you have to be very careful because cup closes are mostly like that. You see cup closes like that, especially off that yellow algorithm. So you have to be more mindful here because when cups close, there will always be significant bounces because they're soaking up all the buyers from this region here. So when that happens, you have to be looking out for structure here. If this wants to head down, I want you to pay close attention. 5-day will start trending down, and that means that we will start trading below that level here where this liquidity is. So this liquidity is quite important. I will talk about that later. But in the macro structure for now, you will see that 5-day will start trending down, especially if we do start rejecting the range by selling the news. So you have to be looking out. If the 5-day start trending down, that's when we start trading below the 5-day moving average. 5-day turn into resistance, we form a structure of this yellow algorithm and we start heading down, completing the cup and the handle from this yellow algorithm. So pay close attention, especially the selling. You have seen that the orange has started selling here. So look out for that orange selling continuation if this wants to head down from here. Now, on the higher range here, this 5-day moving average will be a very important indicator here. You also do see that magenta is still building liquidity here. So tomorrow, pay close attention if we do continue to have some sort of buying and we grab liquidity of that 5-day moving average there. Now, it's not so clear now on the 30-minute chart because of all these engulfing candles. So you have to learn to be looking out for the algorithms here by using the 1 minute chart as I've shown you to be translating them here. That magenta that I shown you earlier is still where this blue algorithm is. So that's quite important. Remember, as I told you, if you are tapering in blue, you have to be more careful, more mindful, right? If we were grabbing more liquidity on the way down, you have to be very careful of this. And by then, you will see 5-day moving average turn into some sort of resistance in the structure as well. So just pay close attention to this. This may be very dangerous, especially as we approach Friday. It will be triple witching. So you have to be very careful of this liquidity wedge right here. It's a large range, and there will always be profits to be found in the charts. But if you can help it, especially 5 days, going to start trending into the center of this wedge, try to keep your size, your contract sizes lower before we start having clearer structure to break out of this. Still plenty of profits to be found, but you have to be more defensive now, especially when you see there is clear liquidity that's forming. Wait and be patient, especially as we wait for the end of the week. Wrap up the week strong. Yes. Thank you very much for watching. See you closer to opening bell.